Oops, I was recording. This is Assistive Robots by
Ashlyn Friesner, Hannah Ridenauer,
and Megan Barnhart.
Watch me now help a human to exercise.
Excellent. Are you working up a sweat yet? I'm getting a
Assistive robots were intended to help humans with everyday tasks. Helping humans walk, talk, and interact are just a few of many things they assist with, along with therapy.
tasks that assistive robots perform are laundry, sweeping, clean up a kitchen, helps humans walk, research in hospitals such as showing normal human functions and the reactions to certain tests. The human functions that assistive robots simulate are the tasks I have given above.
This is Ellie. It's a robot that's designed to be an assistive robot for people with motor impairments. It has two main ideas behind it. The first idea is that
Assistive robots are used in many places, such as hospitals, houses, schools, and elder care.
How is a robot programmed? Programming for the most current robot is performed using basic instructions such as raise the control arm to index to find out where you are, open manipulated fingers to index, turn motor shafts clockwise to index point, lower control arm until resistance is detected, and manipulator down switch. These types of basic motions will vary from one robot to another and can be grouped together as routines, allowing the engineer to call a specific task rather than programming the entire set every time. Robots do not learn by watching someone perform a task. Another way a robot can learn a task would be for the engineer to physically move the robot through a specific task using something like a joystick and instructing the robot to store the moves for later repetition. But in this case, the robot would simply be storing instructions similar to the above.
Jobs assistive robots have created. Assistive robots have created many jobs, including that in shipping, manufacturing, salesmanship, and equipment and maintenance staff, as well as in engineering.
Are they multifunctional? Assistive robots are multifunctional. For an example, an assistive robot programmed for stroke patients can, when a stroke patient is having a stroke of any kind, an assistive robot can monitor the patient's arm activity by providing monitoring and helps the patient remember the rehabilitation program. To the right is a picture of an exercise that may help disabled stroke patients.
on an object, the robot will go and grasp that object and pick it up. After it's gone and picked up the object, then I can click on myself, and that means deliver the object to me. If I click on somebody else, it will deliver the object to somebody else. It's also the case that you can click on the top of a table and it will deliver the object to that table. For object fetching, you have to be able to tell the robot what object it is you want it to get for you. And right now, robots...
What sensors do robots have and how do they use them? GPS, to know where it is. Infrared and light sensors, to detect light. Cameras, to take pictures of, of surroundings and to see. How effective are robots?
Advantages: can help the disabled, elderly, household jobs, schools, sometimes affordable.
Disadvantages. If not programmed right, they're a hindrance. Most of the time, they're expensive. They're tiny. If they're tiny, they don't have enough storage on them, and if they're too large, they're normally not affordable. Predictions. I think in the distant future, assistive robots will be altered to do a wide range of things, like help someone talk again, end therapy, or take over a whole surgery. The robots will have less difficulties and the price will be lowered, making them more affordable and reliable. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned more about assistive robots. Please give us an A.